Hello everybody. Today I want to show you Telegram bot written in Python to control baby sleep and awake time. This video includes 3 parts. First, Telegram bot registration. Second part, sleep awake bot review. And third part, Python bot code review. In Telegram application, find bot father bot. Next, start it and write command /nubit. Answer on bot's questions, bot name and bot username. After bot created, copy your bot API, that all what you need to register your bot in Telegram. Part 2. To start using your self-hosted bot, first open config.txt and paste your Telegram bot API. Next you can start ubot. If no errors you will see in terminal bot started. Next we can go to Telegram and find our bot. Start it. /help command show all available commands. /shows command show all sleep entry in database if they exists. /showa command show all awake entry in database if they exists. /adds command to enter time when baby go to sleep, need to time in XXXX format. If time entered correctly, bot says that sleep time saved. /add command to enter time when baby wakes up, also time 9XXXX format. And if all correct, bot says that wake up time saved. Entering second sleep time to calculate awake time. Now we can use /shows command that show us in table mode date and sleep time. Also checking /showa command that show us date and awake time. If was entered not correct time, command /dela and /dels will help to delete last awake or sleep entry. Command /delal used for erasing all entries in database. That all about using bot. Next will be code review. Part 3. Project contains 4 files. config.txt, main.py, time_calc_f.py and database file. Config.txt will be created automatically on first start of bot daemon. Main.py is main file of program. Time_calc_f.py function that calculates time. First, in config.txt need to add bot token that was created by bot father. Main.py top of file have commented small help information of bot usage. Next is all included and used libraries. Bot starting logging in console. First function, when bot started it check database, if it not created it create it. And make all requested fields in table. Next is check for config.txt file. If it not exist bot created and exit program. To run bot you will need to add token in created config.txt. If config text exists bot reads token and try to start. Adding bot token from config.txt to code. Bot start message is message when you're add bot and started it by command /start in Telegram. Bot help message will print in HTML list of available commands. Bot handler for adding sleep record, also check for correct time format. If time format entered correctly, check that DB is clean or not. Same for @_wakeup table. Bot add wake up time function is same as @_sleep_time. Bot show sleep command gets data from database and prints to Telegram. Bot show awake command do the same as show sleep time. Bot drop DB function deletes all data from database. Function that deletes last record in sleep table. Function that deletes last record in wake up table. Functions that gets data from users, save data to sleep and wake up tables. Then takes data from sleep and wake up tables, calculate sleep and awake time and write to sleep and awake time tables calculated time. Last one is boot polling, that means bot all time listening for command. Our imported time calc function. On top of the file have some commented code for debug. First function if sleep time calculation function that calculates how much time slept. Second function is awake time that calculates how much time passé from sleep. Thank you for your attention.